Hey, Ali from ALTA Racks. We're working on this for a minute. This is for, we're building this rack for these hunting specials and backcountry special bikes that are fat bikes by Bakcou, and Quiet Cat has them, Rambo, and we've seen a couple other brands. Basically, you're looking at like 70 to 80 pound bikes. It's a whole lot of power, and you can tow with them. A lot of accessories on it. Well, this rack, introducing the Chonky Monkey. That's a nickname given to me by my niece, and figured it was a cool one. So, yep, it's pretty easy to load actually, and we'll show a video on those. And actually, even easier than you can imagine.